Hello guys，大家好，我们今天讲的题目呢是 wildlife。OK，我们先把这篇文章读一遍。It's not that human activities didn't impact wildlife at all, of course. Heavily hunted species like white-tailed deer, gray squirrels, and raccoons were photographed somewhat less often in hunted areas. Coyotes showed up more often in hunted areas.While most species didn't avoid hiking trails, the predator actually preferred them. OK， 我们把这篇文章呢分成3个部分来看一下。第一部分，我们来看 It is not。OK， 我们又要回到这个个别的这个音呢，做出口型，不发出这个音这个细节了。OK， 基本上每一天我们在重复这个内容。It is not， 不要读成 It is not that，not that 是错的。It is not that。Not that， 听好了 ，It's not that。OK， 我刚才读成了 It is， 应该是 It's。OK， 不要读成了 It is。It's not that human activities didn't。OK， 不要读成 didn't 是错的 ，didn't impact wildlife。你们听 ，wildlife 这个 d，wildlife at all 连读，很简单的一句话，但读起来呢并不容易。OK， 我们来读一下。It's not that human activities didn't impact wildlife at all, of course. Not that. Didn't impact. Impact 连在后面呢 OK. Didn't impact wildlife at all, of course. Didn't impact wildlife at all, of course. At all 连读 OK. 第二部分 Heavily hunted species没有问题吧 ？Like white， OK， 我没有读成 white-tailed， 我读成 white-tailed，T 结尾 ，T 开始 ，white-tailed，OK，white-tailed deer 鹿，对不对 ？Gray squirrels 松鼠 ，and raccoon 浣熊 ，raccoons。And d 丢掉 ，OK， 做出口型。And raccoons were photographed， 不用读成了 photographed，OK， 不用这么夸张。Photographed somewhat less often in haunted areas。你们听我这个 photograph 这个 d 呢，有点偏 t 的音，对不对 ？Photographed somewhat less often in haunted areas。咱们来读一下 ，heavily hunted species。Like white-tailed deer, gray squirrels, and raccoons were photographed somewhat less often in haunted areas. 断句呢非常的清楚，在每个逗号这一块呢有个停顿就可以了，其他的地方呢我们不需要任何的多余的停顿。我们来看一下第3部分，这个单词 ，OK， 狼，这个狼呢专门指的是这种北美啊、墨西哥这种狼 ，OK，coyotes，你要读的比较 native 呢，这个 t 呢其实是偏 d 的发音，它并没有读成 coyote， 是 coyotes。Showed up 这里是连读 ，OK， 不要读成 showed up， 是 showed up。Showed up more often in haunted areas, while most species 注意这个 t 不要读成 most species，OK， 不是 most species，most species didn't t 吞掉 didn't avoid hiking trails。The 这个单词不要读成 predator，OK，predator，很多同学会读成 predator，重音在前面 predator。The predator actually preferred them， 这个 d 呢要非常的迅速 ，OK， 你不要读成 prefer them， 肯定是错的 ，preferred them。我这个 prefer 之后呢，有一个稍微的一个就是拖音，这个拖音呢是因为这个明显要把它的这个时态要读出来，明白吗 ？Actually preferred them 不是很长，但是有一个跟这个 prefer 比起来呢，稍微的长一点点，能听到这个这个单词后面有个这个 d，OK，preferred them，d 呢非常的弱。我们把这一块再读一下 ，Coyotes showed up more often in haunted areas, while most species didn't avoid hiking trails. The predator actually preferred them. 好，下面我们把它连在一起读一下。It's not that human activities didn't impact wildlife at all, of course. Heavily hunted species like white-tailed deer, gray squirrels, and raccoons were photographed somewhat less often in hunted areas. Coyotes showed up more often in hunted areas. While most species didn't avoid hiking trails, the predator actually preferred them. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.